Right, Alicia, should we have a go at updating this software again?
Yeah.
Right, people said, did I press the... Right, you have the camera, Alicia. Right, let's close all the windows. My window's not closing now. Right, okay. Alright, let's X that. Alright, you make sure we do everything right, Alicia. Right, we've got the notification. That had completely disappeared. Software is up to date. I have to go learn more, do we? Right, and that is going to 4.3.1. Okay, now if we've got the battery charger connected, no, we'll do that.
It is.
It is it?
Yeah.
And we've got the bonnet closed as well, have we?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Well done, Alicia. Right, so that's all. So where's the accept? Okay, let's agree. Make sure I do this. Agree. Estimated time. Update now. Right, close all windows and exit. Right, we've definitely done that. Right, make sure you film, Alicia, that it beeps and the mirror's going.
Okay.
To beep. Right, let's see what that's like. Right, Stig, you've had 35 minutes, you've had your battery on charge, you've got Wi-Fi in range. Okay, the Land Rover servers might be down, but are you going to do the update? Yes or no? Have you done the update? Alright, let's unlock him. See what it says. Oh, the airbag light's gone off. What software? It hasn't given me a congratulatory message. Okay, so I think we're in the loop of doom. Let's have a look what the software level says. Okay, all. Let's go on software update. Software updates. I think it might have it. It just now doesn't tell me what I've got. Yeah, so it's just stating the obvious. So, right. What is that? Where does that leave me? Am I updated? Am I not updated? It doesn't tell me the software level. Is he going to tell me next ignition cycle? There you go. Yeah, software keeps you vehicle performance best and provides improvements to features. But yeah, there's nothing else I can do. Notifications, software update. It should tell me. Wait, here we go. It's just come in. Look at that. So we are now, thumbs up, we are now loving 4.3.1. We have success. The airbag light was a loose wire under the seat, random, but there we go. Nothing to do with the software update. But that's subject for a different video. We'll show you what we did there. But basically, I expect if I move the seat backwards and forwards, the airbag light will come on again. So I need to look at that. Right. We're all good, so we will let you know if we have any problems with this software update. And even though the Land Rover servers are down, the software update has installed, which is good. And there's a whole question mark about servers and software and stuff there, but we'll leave that for another day. Right, good luck with your update.